Chocolate mug cake recipe. Craving chocolate, but don't want to spend hours baking? This quick and easy mug cake recipe is the perfect solution. Ready in under 5 minutes, it's soft, moist, and has a gooey chocolate center that feels indulgent without the fuss. Ingredients: a quarter cup 31g all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, a quarter teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, adjust to taste, 1/8 teaspoon salt, a quarter cup milk plus 1 tablespoon for consistency, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon hazelnut chocolate spread or mini chocolate chips. Instructions: mix dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Add wet ingredients. Stir in milk and vegetable oil until the batter is smooth and lump-free. Prepare mug. Transfer batter into a microwave-safe mug, leaving space at the top for the cake to rise. Add chocolate center. Drop a spoonful of hazelnut spread or chocolate chips into the middle of the batter. Microwave. Place a paper towel under the mug to catch overflow, and microwave on high for about 70 seconds. Cool and enjoy. Let cool for a few seconds before digging into your gooey, moist chocolate mug cake. Tips and variations. Extra indulgent, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of chocolate syrup on top. Healthier swap, use almond milk and coconut sugar for a lighter version. More flavor, add a pinch of cinnamon or instant coffee for a mocha twist.